bin Mohammed Al Maktoum, the Crown Prince of Dubai, Deputy Prime Minister and the Minister of Defence of the United Arab Emirates, on Tuesday hailed UAE and India ties following a meeting with the Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi. The Crown Prince of Dubai arrived in the India for the two-day visit earlier in the day in the invitation of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It was a pleasure meeting the Prime Minister Narendra Modi today in the New Delhi. Our conversation reaffirmed the strength of the UAE and India ties, which is built on trust, shaped by history and driven by a shared vision to create a future full of opportunities, innovation and lasting prosperity, he added on the X after meeting Prime Minister Modi. This is Sheikh Mohammed, that is bin Mohammed Al Maktoum, that the first official visit on the India surrounding the Crown Prince of the Dubai, and he is also accompanied by the several ministers, senior government official and a high-level business delegation. Prime Minister Modi hosted a working lunch for the viewing dignitaries and the Crown Prince, that is also held meetings with the External Affairs Minister, that is S. Jaishankar, and the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. Delighted to welcome the Crown Prince of Dubai and the DPM and the Minister of Defence of the UAE, H.H. Hamadan Mohammed, at the start of its first official visit to India. Value his positive sentiments for our wide-ranging cooperation and vibrant ties, said External Minister Jaishankar. After Delhi, the Crown Prince will visit Mumbai and will also participate in the business roundtable with prominent business leaders from both sides. The interaction will strengthen India-UAE economic and commercial cooperation across traditional and futuristic areas. Traditionally, Dubai has played an important role in the India's commercial, cultural and people-to-people exchanges with the United Arab Emirates. Also, the majority of India's around 4.3 million diaspora in the UAE reside and work in Dubai. The visit of His Highness the Crown Prince will further solidify the India-UAE comprehensive strategic partnership and strengthen our multifaceted ties with Dubai, read a statement issued by the MEA.